High above the earth, where the sky meets the clouds, a league of extraordinary hunters reigns supreme. Birds of prey, the masters of the air, command awe and respect with their unmatched hunting prowess. From the majestic soaring eagles to the breakneck speed of falcons, these avian predators are a marvel of nature's ingenuity. Evolution has equipped birds of prey with an arsenal of adaptations, each a masterpiece of survival. With eyes sharper than the finest telescopes, they can spot prey from miles away. Their talons, razor-sharp and unyielding, are weapons of precision, and their hooked beaks are tools designed to tear through flesh with ease. The art of the hunt is a symphony of skill and strategy. Birds of prey have mastered techniques that rival the most cunning predators. The silent ambush of an owl, the high-speed chase of a falcon, and the cooperative hunting of certain raptor species all reveal the brilliance of these aerial hunters. Beyond their hunting prowess, birds of prey are vital to the ecosystems they inhabit. As apex predators, they regulate populations and maintain balance, but human activities threaten their survival, putting these magnificent creatures at risk. From habitat destruction to climate change, their future hangs in the balance. In the skies above and the habitats below, birds of prey stand as symbols of power, grace, and ecological balance. Their hunting techniques, perfected by evolution, are a testament to nature's brilliance. By understanding and protecting them, we preserve not only their future, but the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Let us marvel at their majesty and commit to their conservation.